Hi Sagittarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. And this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. This is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. Energies are fluid, so take what resonates with you guys and leave what doesn't. Let's get started, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. You've got the King of Swords, the King of Cups, the Nine of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Lovers, the Justice card, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. Sagittarius, what I'm seeing here is that you're in a very blah energy, like you don't want to indulge in heavy romantic energies. I feel that you are concentrating more on self growth, on achieving your goals, on achieving your ambitions, on building connections that are more practical rather than emotional. I also see that you are trying to control your emotions, um, you're trying to grow out of past experiences. Things have dragged you down, and for some of you, I feel that when you were with somebody, they asked you to um, let go of your dreams. And so many times our partners or ex partners ask us to choose between love and ambition or love and family. And some of us get carried away and we choose our love or relationships over our dreams, ambitions, family, career. And that is causing a regret in you because obviously the partner is not there anymore. I see that there is something holding you back from love, but you also want to give in to love. And in the near future, you are going to be offered something from the universe, a person, an opportunity to meet a new person, um, a travel opportunity where you might just bump into the love of your life, Sagittarius. Someone could be moving towards you, you could be moving towards somebody else. But whatever it is, in the near future, it will be as if justice has been served, things have come a full circle, and finally you'll feel that love is choosing you, love is making you feel worthy, you are attracting the right partner. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Libra person for some of you. You've got the Two of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Six of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. Guys, as I mentioned in the reading, that you guys are dealing with a lot of burden, dealing with regret, dealing with the fact that you had to let go of a lot of things that you liked because your partner didn't like them. Some of us get into relationships and we have to let go of our pets, pets that are, completely dependent on us, and we have to let go of them because our partners don't like it. And I just feel that it's a really stupid idea to do that. And it's very unfair on our significant others to expect such drastic steps from our side. Anyway, you have grown out of that. You have decided to move on. You are doing everything in your power to get out of those stagnating energies and moving towards ambitions, moving towards your dreams. Good news is coming your way, guys, and this movement, whether physical or emotional, is going to lead you to build a life that you've always wanted, Sagittarius. You are moving towards a relationship that is going to require 50-50 ownership. You know, your partner and you both will be happy to build this relationship from scratch. And even if it does require a lot of work, you both will be willing to put that effort into it. For some of you, you could also be meeting your soulmate, your lover, your romantic partner, life partner through the work that you are going to be taking up. Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles. You could also be attracting a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Gemini person, Sagittarius. But love is coming your way. Love, prosperity, and peace of mind are coming your way. You could be dealing with a younger person, Page of Cups, Three of Cups. A past lover may also return. A past connection may also become um, important suddenly, and you may feel that probably you could work things out with somebody who was a part of your life in the recent past. But someone's coming to you bearing good news about money, career, um, opportunities as far as growth is concerned, financial growth. The Knight of Swords and the Star. You could be attracting an Aquarius person, but whatever you're attracting, whoever you're attracting, guys, they are goal oriented, they are loyal, they know the importance of emotions, practicality, spirituality. They know how to strike a balance between personal and professional life, and they are nothing short of a wish fulfillment. Sagittarius, let's see some extra messages. These are Lenormand cards. I will then be drawing some oracle messages which may or may not resonate. Which may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Number 29, you've got the Lady card. This shows that your emotions are going to be heightened. Letter A, number 29 or 30 could be important. 11 could also be important. I see that something is beginning in your life, something that is passionate, something that is emotionally driven, and you're also attracting somebody who knows how to balance their emotions and care for you like how a mother would. Let's see more messages for Sagittarius. Listen to your intuition. Pay attention to your gut feeling, guys. Never underestimate your gut, because your gut is your higher self guiding you. Relax, everything's going to be okay. You don't need to stress out, you don't need to overthink. Don't worry. It's all going to be fine. It's all going to work out. Divine sight. See the divine in everyone. Number 7 could be important. When you start seeing that everyone is a part of God, a part of this universe, and as worthy of love as you are, it becomes very easy for people to forgive then. And once you forgive someone, you automatically reduce blockages in your life, and life energy starts flowing in to your life, Sagittarius, you start attracting everything that you want. Activated earth. Spend time in places that make you feel powerful, make you feel loved, make you feel as if you are in power, guys. Okay? Trust where you're led. Having faith in the universe, having faith in God or whoever you believe in will, firstly, it'll ease your stress, and it'll also make you feel content. Align your life, meditate, contemplate, sit in silence, sit in solitude. What is not aligned or needs to change has to be figured out, guys. If something or someone's energy is not aligning with yours, you need to get rid of that, Sagittarius. And you will only be able to decide that because nobody else has lived the life that you have. So Confidence is your key to success. Your dreams need a practical plan. Your hard work is paying off. Show the world the real you. Don't let pride get in your way. And a new romantic cycle begins. Exactly. And I mentioned Libra. Libra is here. Aquarius is here. Taurus, Leo, Capricorn are also here. Let's see an affirmation message for Sagittarius. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy to commit to love and joy. Happiness and joy are something that you choose, something that you are responsible for yourself, guys. So if you choose them over stress, pain, and anxiety, your life is going to become lighter and easier. Sagittarius, that was all for you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. I'll be back with another reading, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below so that if there is something that you need me to improve or pay more attention to, I will read your comments and absolutely implement everything that you've asked me to do so. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.